Welcome to your practice. My name's Dom with Solar Somatics and Yoga. I'm going to be doing a quick 15-minute floor sequence just to open the body up, wake up first thing in the morning, get some energy moving. I'm just going to start with some quick breath awareness. So closing the eyes down, drawing the awareness to the belly, noticing the rise and the fall, noticing the natural rhythm and flow of the breath. Observing the sensation of the mat, bolster, cushion, whatever you might be sitting on. Noticing how your body meets the surface. And coming through a quick body scan, starting at the toes, feet, ankles, shins, calves, knees, thighs, hips, glutes, sacrum, pubic bone, lower belly, lower back, diaphragm, mid-back, rib cage, thoracic spine, the heart space, collarbones, shoulders, shoulder blades, arms, wrists, hands, tips of the fingers, back up the arms, the neck, back of the skull, crown of the head, point between the eyebrows, eyes, ears, nose, lips, chin, down the throat, dropping that awareness into the heart center. And just sitting in the heart for a moment, coming to an intention for your day. And when you're ready, opening the eyes up, coming over onto all fours, coming into a cat-cow position, ignoring any distractions. Exhale, chin to chest, arching the back, pushing the floor away. Inhaling, dropping the belly to the floor, gazing up. Just going through a couple of those. And returning to a neutral position. From here, we're going to thread the needle. So inhaling the right arm up to the sky. Exhale, threading the needle, right arm coming under the left, right ear to the mat. And from here, either walking the fingers out in front, and taking the hand behind the back, just taking 3 deep breaths here into the belly, really sending the breath down to the hips. One last deep breath. And when you're ready, bring the hand back alongside the head. Inhaling that right arm back to the sky. Exhaling that right arm to the earth. Repeating the same on the other side. So inhaling the left arm to the sky. Exhale, threading the needle. Left arm under right. Either walking that right hand out in front or taking that right hand behind the back. And once again, taking 3 deep breaths into the belly. releasing that right hand, bringing it back alongside the head, inhaling that left arm back to the sky, exhaling, bringing that hand back to the earth. From here, bringing the feet together, either keeping the knees wide or bringing them together. I'm just going to come back into a child's pose, whichever variation you would like. Walking the hands out in front. And once again, taking 3 deep breaths into the belly. And from here, we're going to walk our hands over to the right side as we exhale. Really stretching out through that left side body, sending the left hip back, walking the hands forwards. Taking 3 deep breaths into that side body. One last breath. Really noticing what happens when you vocalize these exhales. How the body just opens. When you're ready, inhaling back to center. Exhaling, walking those hands over to the left. Really sending that right hip back, walking the hands forwards, breathing into that right side body. One last breath. And inhaling, walking the hands back to center. Walking the hands in, coming up to a seated position, coming to Ovajdrasana, lightning bolt pose. From here, bring the right hand to the left knee. We're going to inhale, opening up that left side body, bring that left hand behind us. Exhaling back to center. I'm just going to go through that 3 times. So inhaling, opening that left arm up. Exhaling, bring that left arm back. One more time. Inhaling, opening that left side body. Exhaling, bring that left hand back. Repeating the same on the other side, bringing the left hand to the right knee. Pushing that left knee into the hand as you turn. Inhaling, opening that right arm up, gazing out over those right fingertips. Exhaling, coming back to center. Inhaling, opening that right arm, gazing out over those fingertips. Exhaling, coming back to center. One last time. Inhaling that right arm open. Exhaling, coming back to center. And bring the right hand back to the left knee. This time, as we open the left arm, turning the head to the right, turning the head the opposite direction as to which the arm's going. So inhaling, opening the arm up, bringing that left arm back, squeezing the left shoulder blade into the spine as your head turns to the right. Exhaling, coming back to center. 2 more times. Inhaling, opening that arm up, head turning to the right, squeezing that left shoulder blade into the spine. Exhaling, coming back to center. Ignoring any distractions. One last time. Inhaling that left arm open, gazing out to the right, squeezing that left shoulder blade into the spine. Inhaling, coming back to center. Repeating the same on the other side. Left hand to the right knee, pushing the left hand into the knee. Inhaling, head turns to the left, arm goes to the right, shoulder blade hugs into the spine. Exhaling, coming back to center. 2 more like that. Inhaling, head goes to the left, arm goes to the right. Exhaling back to center. One last time. Head goes to the left, arm goes to the right, squeezing that shoulder blade into the spine. Exhaling back to center. Returning to neutral. Just rolling the shoulders out for a second, going both ways. And from here, coming to sit flat. Perhaps sitting up on a cushion or a bolster, a book, block, whatever you might have on hand. Just elevating the hips here, allowing them to tip forwards, allow you to go deeper into the pose. We're going to bring the right foot in, right foot to the left thigh. Inhale the arms up overhead, and exhale, folding forwards, gazing towards our shin, leading with our chest, drawing the shoulder blades back. Just staying here for 3 breaths. 2 more, deep into the belly. One more. From here, changing legs, extending the right leg, bring the sole of the left foot into the right thigh. Inhaling the arms up overhead, exhaling, folding forwards, leading with the chest, shoulder blades drawing back, chin, shin, gazing at the toes. Just spending 3 breaths here. When you're ready, walking the body back up, extending both legs out in front, inhaling the arms up overhead, exhale, folding forwards. Once again, leading with the chest, peeling the toes back towards the body, drawing the shoulder blades back, and just spending 3 breaths here. Two more. And when you're ready, walking back up, coming into a pigeon briefly, removing any distractions. For me, I'm going to sit a bolster under my glute, right glute, starting on the right side, so right shin parallel to the front of the mat. Gazing tall for a moment, and exhaling, folding forwards. Coming down onto the elbows, perhaps using a block or a bolster or something. Books, cushions, whatever propping you might need. Ensuring that the breath is full and deep. And just spending 5 breaths here. One more. Walking the hands back in, sitting up tall, changing legs, extending the right leg up behind us, bringing the left shin parallel to the front of the mat. Gazing tall for a second. And folding forwards. Spending 5 breaths here again. Really sending the breath deep. One last breath. Sighing, letting it go. Walking the hands back in. Coming to lie flat on our backs. Coming into a quick happy baby pose, so pistol gripping the fingers, gripping onto the big toes, or grabbing onto the blades of the feet, tucking the chin to the chest, and just rolling side to side. Now when you're ready, releasing the legs, coming to lie flat, dropping away into your Shavasana. Noticing the sensation of the mat underneath the body. Drawing the awareness to the rise and the fall of the belly, observing how the breath's moving now compared to when you first sat down. Coming back to your intention, your sankalpa. Taking the awareness to the toes, feet, ankles, shins, calves, knees, thighs, hips, glutes, belly, lower back, diaphragm, mid-back, chest, upper back, shoulders, arms, wrists, hands, tips of the fingers, back up the arms, shoulders, neck, back of the skull, crown of the head, third eye center, eyes, ears, nose, lips, throat, heart center. Letting yourself drop away here. If you have nowhere to be, letting yourself lie here for as long as you want. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste.